My beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. So today we'll be making this beautiful ruffle design on that outfit. Let's go. So after making your jumpsuits, then you get an organza material. Here I'm using a 6 yards of organza material. Then I fold it into two and make a straight stitch on the side of that organza. You fold it into two and make a straight stitch on the organza. As you can see, yes, make a straight stitch there. Then you head to the clothes and start fixing it. So I measure 15 inches distance. Then I start gartersing, I start folding it, but I use my needle and thread to make a little gathers on that particular 15 inches I measure. Just watch the way I'm doing it here. So that's how you will do it, and it will form a beautiful gathers for you. All right, so that's just it to get these beautiful ruffles here. Okay, after that you measure on the body of the jumpsuit the particular inches, that is the distance you want the gathers to be placed on. Okay, so I just measure. You can measure a 5 inches or a 6 inches or a 3 inches. It just depends the way you want it to be full or the way you want it to have that distance. All right, so look at the way I measured all of them down already. So that's how I'll be placing the ruffles on those measurements. That's just it. You keep doing it that way. You tack the ruffles to the jumpsuit just the way I'm doing it here. After that, that's how you keep doing it till you get to the back side of the material. Then you make a sweet closing at the back of the final ruffles at the back. Okay, that is just it. It's just a simple design with an extra paparazzi look. Okay, so I keep tacking, and you have to make it a very tight stitch. Make a very tight stitch, and voila, this is the outcome of the design. This is just the outcome of it. As you can see, it is very beautiful. So if you find this video helpful, my people, please do follow this page, do subscribe to the channel, like, share, and also turn on your notification bell for more beautiful videos to come. Thanks for watching.